Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to use the Pure Dating app to maximize your dating success. Alright, let's begin. First of all, download the Pure app from your app store and create an account. The registration process is straightforward. You only need a selfie to get started. Unlike traditional dating apps that require extensive profiles, Pure allows you to post ads instead. This means you can express what you're looking for without the pressure of a typical profile setup. Once your account is ready, take some time to craft an engaging ad that clearly outlines your intentions and what kind of connection you seek. When writing your ad, be sure to include details about yourself and what you're looking for in a partner. Highlight your interests and the type of experiences you'd like to share. One of the standout features of the Pure app is its emphasis on anonymity and respect for personal boundaries. You can choose to remain anonymous in your photos if that makes you more comfortable. Additionally, take advantage of the Devil's Bones game within the app for a more dynamic way to meet new people. This feature allows for audio and video chats with strangers around the world, making it easier to break the ice and get to know someone quickly. You can filter matches based on shared interests, ensuring that conversations are relevant and engaging. So that's basically how you can use the Pure Dating app to maximize your dating success. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.